You are paying $500 monthly and the balance barely moves. Credit card companies are literally stealing from you while rates stay elevated in 2026. But in the next 5 minutes, I'm showing you the exact system to break free. And it starts today. Strategy 1. The debt avalanche method. List all cards by interest rate highest to lowest, attack the highest rate first while paying minimums on others. This mathematically saves you thousands in interest compared to paying equally across all cards. One US viewer paid off $18,000 in 14 months using this alone. Strategy 2. Call your credit card company. Most don't know you can negotiate your April directly. Tell them you are considering balance transfers or switching providers. Half the time, they'll drop your rate 2 to 5% immediately to keep your business. UK customers especially have success mentioning competitor offers. Strategy 3. Balance transfer or debt consolidation loan. Many cards offer 0% intro periods on transfers. Calculate if fees cost less than interest saved. Usually they do. Alternatively, a personal consolidation loan at 8 to 10% beats 18 to 24% credit card rates. Australian banks are competitive here. Shop around ruthlessly. Strategy 4. The income boost method. Even $200, $300 extra monthly toward debt cuts years off repayment. Side hustles, selling unused items, or freelancing accelerates everything. Pair this with one strategy above and you're unstoppable. Thousands have gone debt-free within 18 to 24 months using this combination. Your financial future starts with one action today. Subscribe for weekly debt-busting strategies and smash that notification bell. Comment below, which strategy are you trying first? Let's build wealth together, not hand it to credit card companies. Your freedom is waiting.